Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off animations on Nothing Phone 3a Lite to boost your device's speed. First of all, open Settings on your device and navigate all the way down to About Phone section, then open it. After that, tap on Nothing OS and tap Build Number options 7 times until you are asked to confirm your pattern or password. Enter it and you'll become a developer, which will turn on developer options on your device. You can access them by going back to Settings and selecting System menu. In System menu, you will find developer options. Open this menu and navigate down to Animation Scales. Here they are: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. If you are struggling to find these options, you can use Quick Search, a tool in the top right corner of the screen. Now what you have to do is tap each of these options and select Animation Off. And this will turn off animations on your smartphone, but it will also make your device work faster. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.